Are you looking for a versatile piece of furniture that supports both your fitness goals and your relaxation needs? The Avana Luvu Lounger is a modern chaise designed for yoga, exercise, massage, and pure comfort. It aims to be the only lounger you will ever need. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's break down the Luvu Lounger's design and construction, which are key to its multifunctional appeal. This lounger prioritizes durability and adaptability, featuring a robust foam core and a shape engineered to support diverse activities. Its premium materials and thoughtful construction aim to provide both comfort and longevity, setting it apart in the furniture landscape. The Avana Luvu Lounger features a solid high-density foam core that is CertiPUR-US approved and made in the USA, pointing to a strong and reliable construction. This lounger is highly versatile, designed for everything from yoga and stretching to relaxation, gaming, or even combining multiple units for a larger couch. It offers a unique balance of comfort and firm support, with its high-density foam designed to handle both relaxing and rigorous exercise routines effectively. Keeping the Luvu Lounger clean is simple thanks to its incredibly soft microvelvet cover, which is both removable and fully machine-washable. Overall, the Avana Luvu Lounger impresses with its robust build, smart design for varied uses, and thoughtful features like a washable cover, making it a strong contender for your home. Next, we will explore the practical aspects of owning the Avana Luvu Lounger and consider its overall value proposition. Considering how you will use this lounger daily, its dimensions and weight play a significant role. We will also examine how well the product details are presented and assess whether its features justify the current asking price. Measuring 24 inches wide, this lounger offers good stability for different body types and activities, further secured by its non-slip bottom. At 38 pounds, the lounger is relatively lightweight and designed for easy movement, and it ships vacuum compressed to reduce its carbon footprint. The $299.78 price point positions this lounger as a premium item, representing a notable investment for a specialized piece of foam furniture. All of the important dimensions, materials, and core features are clearly detailed, providing a complete picture of what you are getting. Ultimately, the Luvu Lounger offers clear practical benefits and transparent specifications, though its higher price point makes it a considered purchase. The Avana Luvu Lounger truly stands out with its firm, high-density foam and versatile design, supporting a wide range of activities from intense exercise to comfortable relaxation. Its made-in-USA quality and easy-to-clean cover adds significant value and convenience. While its premium price means it is not for everyone, those looking for a durable, multi-purpose lounger will find it a worthwhile investment.